Hello everyone, my name is Elena. I'm from Russia. Today I would like to show you two ways in Python functions that finds and returns the largest number in a given array list. You see the first way, click on it, finds and returns the largest number in a list. You see my numbers 12, 45, 23, 67, 8, 91. And sprite says the largest number is, and you see 91. Okay, just a moment. You see the largest number is 91st. And the second way, you see my numbers and you see negative numbers. Okay, and you see the answers. It's correct, 20 minus 1, 3.14, and none. Okay, the first version demonstrates the algorithm's approach, while the alternative shows how to accomplish the same thing consistently using Python's built-in functions. The first version is better for learning purposes, while the second is more Pythonic for production code. Thank you very much.